Is your magic ready?
Check!
Green ice flower prepared?
Check. Alright, Lemmy, here's the plan. Run through that forest area over there, run through the old people's neighborhood, run all the way up to the path, take a right when we get to the gym, and you should be right there at the choir area.
This isn't all about war anymore. This is all about dying.
I know. We're doing this for the little boy that sacrificed himself to help us. Let's go stop. Let's go destroy the last streamer and let's save Philadelphia.
Here we go again, the final road.
Here we go!
Here we go again, the final road. Here we go. Time to save the world once again. My memories have finally returned. What if the last member is way too strong? Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we take him down?
Don't overthink, I'm by your side. I'm right next to you. I'll be with you until the very end. We are a team, we stick together no matter what.
You are right, we never ever give up.
We never go down, not without a fight.
There it is, Lemmy. Just over that railing. Look, Lemmy, we're finally here.
All right, let's do this. I think that's him.
Well done, Aiden. You really made it. I got here twice as easy. Oh, and keep in mind I'm an illusion, so no one else can hear you but me.
Hey, why are you growling?
Oh, nothing. I think that's him right there.
Hey, points!
Fight us, you coward! Let's end this.
Once and for all, huh?
What?
Oh! Thanks! I'm gonna fight her and go easy on her. The second Prince gets out, then it'll be your time to strike.
Understand.
You're too powerful, you'll rip her to shreds.
Good, that's a good reason. Alright, now go.
Understood. Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh! Huh?
Oh.
Hey! Hey! Are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine. Did you save me?
Yeah, that was me.
Thank you. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
anytime. Sorry, I'm just a little bit tired. Huh?
Yeah. Encore. Again.
Huh. Okay, smartass. You want to do the finishing blow?
Ready. But that does it. I have had enough of this. I will defeat all three of you instead. You've killed my family and my friends. This time, you're going to pay.
Yeah, woohoo! Again, encore!
This is impossible. This cannot be. This isn't you. How did you manage to beat me? Well, I wouldn't really say impossible. I would be saying more evened the odds. There's no way you could have beat me. I don't understand how. I guess it was true that I was going to be the last line of defense. I'm sorry, Emperor Lucifer. I'm sorry, Green Seti. I'm sorry, Blue Tech. I'm sorry, Red Ichi. I'm sorry, Orsi. I'm sorry, Yaleli. I'm sorry I failed you all. This is the end of me. I guess you did say it was fair and square. Goodbye, Prince.
Hey, Aiden, why are you running the other way?
Come on, let's go see the streamer break.
Oh, okay.
I'm a bit tired. Can I get into your bag?
Oh, sure.